सो गए थे तब तक जाएंगे ना. ओके. Step 3. Divide the listed dreams into short term, mid term and long term. अब तक हमने ड्रीम्स लिख लिए. जैसे जिन्हों ने बोला कि गॉड इज सेइंग ग्रांटेड, तो जो भी लिखोगे वो मिलने वाला है. हमने लिखा है लैम्बोर्गिनी, अमिताभ बच्चन का घर, ट्रैवलिंग द वर्ल्ड, ऐसे सब लिखा है हमने. पर अब नाउ विल सी कि ये जो ड्रीम्स है हमारे, हाउ कैन दे बी मोर लॉजिकल. अभी विल प्रोबेबली थिंक कि ये सब कैसे हमको मिलेगा, चाहिए, हाँ जरूर चाहिए, तो कैसे. सो नाउ स्टेप 3 विल ऐड लॉजिक टू द ड्रीम्स. कोई भी ड्रीम लो, लाइक any dream, and let's say age short term, mid term, long term is 9 to 12, 13 to 16 and 3 to 6 years respectively. Any dream. So that's just a brief idea. So very interesting example. बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है, सिंपल वन. ये बंदा गांव से आया है, पहली बार सिटी में आया है और उसके गांव में ऐसा कोई बिल्डिंग तो है ही नहीं. तो उसको किसी ने बोला है कि इसके ऊपर, इसके छत पे आना है, इसके टेरेस पे आना है. He is thinking कि oh God, how will I reach there, my destination? मैं ऊपर कैसे जाऊँगा? That's his first reaction, क्योंकि वो गांव से आया, उसको पता नहीं. तो वहाँ पे वो किसी को मिलता है, you know, the person who lives there, and he calls him Mr. Mentor. कि how will I reach there? So the mentor says कि पूरे बिल्डिंग पे फोकस मत करो, वहाँ पे स्टेट पे फोकस करो. So he's like, okay, that makes it simpler. So divide the stairs into first, second and third floor. In other words, short term, mid term and long term. And then the ultimate, the terrace. Like that makes it simpler. अभी short term, that is first floor, उस पे ही focus करो. अगर तुमको बिल्डिंग की टॉप पे जाना है, any floor you want to go, तो पहले कहाँ पहुँचना पड़ेगा? First floor. So focus on that. And then फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे भी अगर आपको पहुंचना है, तो you don't jump. There are steps. तो then divide the short term dream into steps. Short term dream जो हो सकता है, let's say कि short term dream ये है कि मेरे को कार चाहिए, I want a Fiesta, a Ford Fiesta. That is a short term dream for me. I can further divide it कि उसके लिए मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा. You know, what's the installment, what is what do I need to do for that, the installments, down payment, कहाँ से लाऊंगा, right? So now ये जो बंदा जो गांव से आया था, what does he say? Now I understand. Dreaming big is so important. It seems simple now. What seems so huge is simple now. जो पहले पूरा बिल्डिंग उसको दिख रहा था, अभी उसको पता है कि step by I can go up and reach the destination. Let's say आज एक बंदे के पास सिर्फ एक साइकिल है और उसका अल्टीमेट है कि उसको ये स्पोर्ट्स कार लानी है, पोर्श लानी है. तो ये डिवाइडिंग इट. मैं पहले एक एक्टिवा लाऊंगा, फिर एक छोटी सी मारुति लाऊंगा, फिर एक मीडियम साइज कार लाऊंगा और फिर अल्टीमेटली आई गेट दैट थिंग कार. So it's more logical now. So now we work for this, work for an Activa. और उसके मगज में क्या होगा? उसके दिमाग में होगा कि ultimately wants to get this car. You start working for this, start climbing, and ultimately reach there. Make sense? Yes. Same way house. आज घर एक छोटा सा घर है, थोड़ी small hut. Next. 2-bedroom house, 2-bedroom flat, row house, bungalow, then a huge bungalow, mansion, बड़ा सा bungalow, the dream house, ultimate dream house. Seems more logical, right? Seems achievable. अगर किसी को भी पूछेंगे कि तुमको अगर ये घर can you get this house, तुमको ये घर मिल सकता है कि नहीं? If he's living there, तो probably say yes. A few changes in lifestyle and I can get this house. Similarly, that person can go here, he can go here and he can go there. So seems more logical, right? Okay. So we can we'll have the exercise number 3, I guess, and that is we'll use the 6 bubble theory on our dreams. हमारे जो भी dreams हैं उस पे we'll have the 6 bubble theory. Booklet में एक exercise है 6 bubble theory. Something like this. Page number 3. So look at the sample dreams. The first one, it's लिखा है cycle, bike, small car, big car, luxurious car and sports car. Okay, so something like this. और फिर age लिखिए, age. By what age does he want this? Suppose today at age 18 a person has a cycle. Okay, and he wants to get a sports car. So he's dividing it. So he's thinking कि अगर मेरे पास साइकिल है और मैं 18 साल का हूँ तो मैं एक्टिवा कब ला सकता हूँ? So probably 22 the next 4 years. 22 will get a bike or an activa. बाइक से फिर छोटी गाड़ी कब ला सकता हूँ? तो 5-6 साल और yeah, so 28 will get a small car. अभी छोटी गाड़ी से बड़ी गाड़ी लानी है तो कितने साल लग सकते हैं? और 5 साल 33 years small car, sorry, a big car, and from big car getting a more luxurious car. So 37, and from luxurious car getting a sports car. 5 more years, so like around 43. So at age 43, he can get a sports car. A sports car can be a Lamborghini, can be a Porsche, can be a Ferrari, can be anything. So a person who is 18 today, who just has a cycle, if he gets a sports car at age 43, who would not want it? किसको ये नहीं चाहिए? कोई है ऐसा जिसको ये नहीं चाहिए? Okay. Sample 2. यहाँ पे house है, but this is for the position. Today, there's this guy who's 18 years old, is a clerk at an office. But his dream is कि मेरे को 40 साल की उम्र में, at age 40, I want to be a business owner of a huge business. एक बड़ा सा business मेरे को खुद का खोलना है. You know, 10 crores, 100 crores, whatever he decides. At age 40, is specific. मेरे को age 40 पे ही करना है. So what he does is, he does this. ये फिर से ये 6 bubble theory, but he's going backwards now. Forwards की जगह he's going backwards now. At age 40, I want to be an owner. Okay, to be an owner, what would I require? He's saying probably I'll require CEO experience of 5 years. कोई बड़ी सी कंपनी में I'll be a CEO for 5 years. So he's saying at 35 years I need to be a CEO of a big company. For a CEO, what do I need? He's saying you need to be a general manager for 5 years. So at age 30, GM. For GM, he needs to be a manager. So at age 25, he wants to be a manager. For being a manager, you need to be in charge of some particular thing, a particular branch. So at age 20, he wants to be in charge. And at age 18, he's already a clerk just now. So this way is divided his dreams. कि अभी मैं in charge बनूंगा, by this age I have to do this, then this, then this, then this, then this, and finally I'll be the business owner of a huge business. Does it make sense? Yes. 6 bubble theory. पता चल रहा है? Any doubts? Any questions? Okay. So now exercise number 3. ये जो exercise थी ना, the टिक-टिक method. वहाँ पे जितने भी dreams हैं हमारे, you know, top dreams. Now we can to take those dreams. Let's say health, then 6 packs. So what do I need for 6 packs? तो पहले 2 pack आएंगे. पहले मैं I'll lose my fat. Then I'll get 2 packs, then I'll get 4 packs, then I'll get 6 packs, then I'll get 8 packs. Yeah, that can be done. Or when I go to Harvard, and I can divide that कि पहले मेरे को GMAT में करना पड़ेगा. I need this experience. By this I'll do this, then I'll do this, then I'll apply, then I'll go. घर में भी हमने देखा, तुमने कार में देखा, is an example for career. It can be for education as well, for all of us. Education, कि I'll finish this chapters by this time, not age, but probably time, days. Six bubble theory can be used, and what we'll do is अभी हमारे जो भी ड्रीम लेने भी सेपरेट. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हमने आगे the one which we went here, the same dream will go back. Can be different, can be specific. कि मेरे को ये इससे ही ये करना है, तो right? So we'll work on this just now, and I'll give you all 5 minutes.